Soon our evil teacher turns kawaii after she sees our school supplies. Cindy is always looking for something in her locker. Hey, what's taking so long? Hold my backpack. Make an egg white and a yolk out of polymer clay. Poke a hole for a keychain using a straw. Bake the clay following the package instructions. Attach a keychain ring. Draw a face on the yolk using permanent markers. Wow! What a cute keychain! This egg is amazing! Oh gosh! Your locker looks like a tornado went through it! Now I understand why you can't find anything! Hang on! I'll give you my locker organizer! Trim a cardboard cup. Outline a fox with ears. Cut it out. Color the fox with acrylic paint. Define the details and the outlines with a black marker. Hot glue a magnet to the bag. Make a cactus out of another cup. Just attach these paper cups to the side of your locker and store everything you need in it. A fox and a cactus will take care of your mess. Are you having a battle of emotions? Why is Miss Smith making faces? It's obvious! We are playing a game called Kawaii Stickers. Cut a stack of sticky notes to be shaped like toast. Add a golden crust with a crayon. Draw a face with a marker. Make a few slices of toast with different faces. Attach the toast stickers to your forehead and try to guess what emotions are on them. It's so much fun! And Miss Smith is a champion at winking. Oh wow! A whole pile of adorable lipstick! Can I try some out? It's so cute! Oh, it's actually a marker! Take a marker apart. Cut off the top part of the body. Put the tip and wadding back. Trim it to fit the size. Hot glue the marker into a clean tube from a Kawaii chapstick. I almost put marker on my lips! Very sweet of you! These tests never end! Miss Smith's hands are tired, and her fingers are numb. Giving failing grades is pretty hard. Thank goodness she has some cute green peas. Hot glue big wooden beads onto a pen refill. Cut off the excess. Paint the beads green. Hot glue the pen to a rectangular piece of felt. This way it looks like an open pea pod. Draw cute faces on the beads. Coat the drawing with clear nail polish. Miss Smith found a way out. This Kawaii pen is a great hand massager. Grading tests with a new pen and more energy is way more fun. Why are you drawing for so long? Oops! You need an eraser. Check out my cherry eraser. Cut 2 circles out of a pink eraser. Make a triangular cut. Shape it like a cherry. Put in a wire to be a stem. Connect 2 erasers. bend the wire. Attach a foam paper leaf. Outline faces on the cherries using acrylic paint. Erasing a drawing with these cute cherries turned out to be a lot of fun. Oh, I'd love to have some hot and tasty pizza right now. Here's some. There's a slice of pizza right on the next desk. Cut a triangular slice of pizza out of an old notebook. Wrap the cover in yellow foam paper. Attach foam paper slices of salami, olive rings, mushrooms, and spices on top. Add eyes and a mouth. This slice of pizza is looking right at me. Hey, Cindy, wake up! This is just a notebook. Wow, this pineapple pencil case is so nice. I wish I had one. But Cindy doesn't want to share. She can only offer a pineapple bookmark to comfort her friend. Cut 2 ovals out of yellow cardboard to look like a pineapple. Make leaves out of green cardboard. Glue them to one oval. Make a curved cut on the other oval so you can attach it to a page. And glue the ovals together. Draw a diamond pattern using a ruler. Outline a winking face on top. I guess a bookmark will have to do. This pineapple is winking at my homework. Cindy, clean your desk right now. Look at your neighbor. She has all her markers in a pink panda. Outline a panda face on a plastic bottle-shaped marker case using a permanent marker. Attach black foam paper ears. Put in school supplies. This panda is so lovely. All my pens and pencils will fit into this kawaii case. But Cindy doesn't have any kawaii school supplies. Don't cry. Take this Nutella. Coat the inside of a clean Nutella jar with brown acrylic paint. Draw a label on a piece of white foam paper. Create a cute face with cheeks on top. Attach the label to the jar. Make holes in the lid with the tip of a hot glue gun. Put in school supplies. This jar of Nutella is so kawaii. It's also a marker organizer. Now the desk is perfect. The panda and the sweet Nutella will be friends. Take a look at that! Miss Smith looks exactly like Tomato Head when she's angry. She just needs a mustache. Attach a felt tomato stem to a red ball-shaped pencil sharpener. Draw eyes, a mustache, and the center of the stem with a permanent marker. Add highlights using a white marker. Miss Smith gets so mad that her face turns red. You have toys in class again? It's just a cute pencil sharpener. Check it yourself. It actually is a pencil sharpener. How cute! And my mood gets better right away. Mr. Einstein, take my delicious chocolate cookies. Melt different brown crayons in a microwave and pour the wax into a round mold. Let it harden and take out the crayon. Heat drops of black crayon over a candle and attach them to the circle. Make it look like a chocolate chip cookie. Outline a cute face with a permanent marker. Trim the edge of the cookie. Make it look like someone already bit it. Miss Smith is not happy. First of all, we are in class. And second, Einstein is on a healthy diet. Cindy is crunching on something at her desk. Cookies again? This is just a charming crayon, Miss Smith, and it's gluten-free. Did you like our kawaii school supplies? Let us know in the comments what adorable school supplies you'll make for yourself. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new school supply ideas from Troom.